Did you forget the flex plate this time?
Oh, you don't need that?
What day is it today, Joel?
I don't know, man. I think it's
Snap on Wednesday, bitches.
Many a sin I have witnessed, and in many indeed I have been. Many a rat I befriended, and so many a thorn stood between.
I'll just say.
Sodom.
Sodom. Oh, feels like it's been about a week since I've been on this truck.
6 days too long?
Yeah, exactly. So what do we got? I didn't even realize you took it. I thought I put it back in the drawer. It's a nice little Ratchet from Canada.
You getting Wobble Plus creates? Yeah, watch your hand in the fucking.
Here's a question: can you convert those to 80?
No.
I didn't think so, but it's worth the question.
And there's grease in there, that's why it feels the way it does.
Oh yeah.
What's this?
But the gear's good. Yeah.
So basically, just clean it out and.
I got an engine job that needs to get done in the next 2 minutes.
I'm pretty sure that's not going to get done. In the
I'd like
next
to
10
announce
minutes.
that I'm also a DJ.
What?
What do you say?
Have I told you guys that I'm also a DJ?
Who said that?
Hey,
Oh,
don't be
DJ.
camera shy now.
You got some tools too, Jay?
I got all the tools I could ever need for my grandfather and my dad. My dad can't even use his tools anymore, really.
That's what Viagra's for.
I told Adam that's his protein shake in the morning.
Oh my
3
God.
Viagras and protein and just shake it up.
Oh my god.
Adam's like, yeah, I get morning wood, but it just lasts all day.
All day wood.
Oh, these are cool.
Oh, this is cool.
Some nice new. Those are big picks, man. Check those things out. Those are cool.
That's a new item.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. There's a wallet. I like the little trinkets.
That's a big
And
ass
there's
pick
no
set.
shortage of those around.
Keep an eye on that. That's kind of nice. What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing over here?
I came to get a hog ring and look at some tools.
A hog ring. They sell that at like the drugstores and stuff, don't they? It's a hog ring. It's just to keep you hard. It's what a hog ring is, right? It's to keep you hard.
It's like a cock ring.
Just an elastic
You
band
slide that
wrapped
down
around
the
your
base.
The zap tool. Don't use a zap strap. It's hard to get off later.
Oh, zap strap.
You can't
Oh, you gotta
snip it
cut.
off.
You gotta cut it with a. You gotta cut it with a side cutter and hope that you don't snip something.
I use a gear. I like to use a gear clamp.
Oh yeah. Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Just maybe put some
Wrap it with
plastic
rubber.
around it or something so that it doesn't fucking hurt.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing that just says,
Yeah.
just snap on.
This conversation is not tool related. I mean, kind of tool related, I guess. Yeah. Here, man. Jordan, they have. He's got a used one of these.
Oh, sweet. I was looking at this.
I think this is his loaner.
What are you gonna do with that?
This one, I don't know. It'll come back if you throw it though.
Oh, it's like a boomerang.
You should ask him how much his loaner is.
How much the
And
loaner
just say,
is?
hey, how much do you want for the loaner? I'll even let you use my my battery charger.
Oh, okay, I'll hook you up with something. Okay, just give me.
This thing's been abused just a little bit.
7 minutes? That's all I get?
Jordan's literally got an oil change on his rack.
Yeah, that's it though, right?
Yeah. And then if you could please look at that sink before you go.
Yeah,
to fix
you
the
have to
sink.
unplug a sink.
here? Oh, sweet.
I see a carpenter.
Oh,
I see a guy, a musician,
Yeah.
and
Yep.
a videographer.
A videographer.
nice.
So, no, I don't
Nice.
see a goddamn plumber. What am I?
He's gone.
Never mind. Don't
He's a
have-
solutions provider.
Oh yeah, he's a
Oh, very
solutions
nice,
provider.
Joel.
I got it this
Solutions
time.
Provider. There you go. My hobby's food.
What did you just say?
My hobby's food.
Oh, that's funny.
Socket retaining ring.
All right, a socket retaining ring.
Hog ring has got offset ends.
All right.
They're back there.
You can you
Pardon
can
me.
go.
Excuse me. Pardon me.
Tamper proof. Oh my God, what the hell is that? 5 point?
Oh, there we go. Well, there's Torx, right, which is 6 point. There's tamper-proof Torx, which is 6 point with a hole. There's Torx Plus that has a big fixed wire button. And there's tamper-proof Torx Plus, which actually has 5 point. Looks pretty robust.
Looks pretty robust, huh?
Yes.
It's not a very. It's a very. It's one of those words that sounds dirty but isn't robust.
So there's 3 O-rings and 3 retaining rings.
isn't perfect.
To put it on, drop the retaining ring on the top of your toolbox or workbench or somewhere hard. Take the handle of the gun, push it down onto the ring, push down and roll it, and it should just pop on. If you use pliers or anything, it'll go it around and then it'll snag on the first socket you put on there. It'll be stuck and you'll be angry and cursing and swearing. So yeah, there is an O-ring in there, so you have to dig that out with the new one on.
For that before.
Maybe. Pardon me. Excuse me.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
You're welcome. Excuse me, you're welcome.
He didn't say thank you. Hey, do you have the cooling system adapter for our new Tucsons? They have a composite tank, so they don't have a rad cap. It's one of the plastic ones, but I don't have it in my kit. Can you tell? Like, can you do you just look up as per vehicle?
Yeah. What year? Where's over here?
The newer ones, like the 16, 17s. We ran into a situation where we needed to do a pressure test and I didn't have the cap. But I have a feeling we might see more of them.
You only ever need one.
Remember? Was that Saturday? Was that Tucson with the water pump leak?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And we didn't have the cap.
I was thinking right down
The
on the
adjuster.
AC.
Yeah.
That is the only adapter
It's
I
hard to
don't
see,
have.
though.
Oh, really?
It must not be used on anything else.
Maybe not. So there's no listing for it? Yeah. There is? Okay.
But this kit does 95% of the vehicles out there. Everything except.
Well, if you have a listing for it, then we can order it. Because we don't have one in the shop. We don't have like usually we would get like special tools sent to us or whatever, and that's something that we haven't run into yet. Yeah, I got everything.
That's one I don't have.
Okay. Well, you're gonna have it now.
Yes.
Tachometer.
I'm gonna get this wobble plus as well.
Nice
So,
choice, Jesse.
Blacker.
unless you got a short, but I probably wouldn't mind a deep bucket instead. Use the short? No, or use the deep bucket?
Use a short one, a shallow one. No. No.
Hello.
Anyway.
Hey, Jordan.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Those slide out, eh?
All right, guys. Welcome back to the shop. You guys saw Snap on Wednesday on the truck. Of course, you know, all the regular, the banter and the jokes and all that shit. You guys saw some new tools there, the long pick set. I don't even know the price on it, but I showed you the part numbers. So those can come in handy. If you guys have them, leave comments in the comment section below. Let me know how they're working out for you. I'm kind of interested in them myself. So yeah, they're super cool. I didn't pick anything up today. I'm still trying to pay that bill down so I can get a workstation. So hopefully that all works out and pans out good soon. We did get June's flyer, so in the next day or two I'm gonna be all that will be up for you guys. I know it's late, and that's pretty much all I got for you guys. I will be doing a full review on this polisher tool. I picked this up a couple of weeks ago, CTPP761A. This thing is awesome, just so awesome, so useful, and I haven't used it to polish anything yet. I am going to polish my box though a little bit and get some of the scratches out. It's the worst thing about owning an Epic is the fucking fingernail marks right in here. So I'm going to do that and let everyone know how that goes. It seems like it's a perfect size to be able to do all that stuff. So especially getting in these small crevices. So yeah, super good tool so far. Anyway, guys, that is all I got for you this week. Remember to comment, like, share, subscribe, and peace out, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.